Hello everyone, is your diesel engine struggling to start, especially in cold weather? Does your check engine light keep turning on? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0684, Glow Plug Control Module to PCM Communication Circuit, it means there's a problem with the communication between the Glow Plug Control Module, GPCM, and the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. In this video, I'll explain what P0684 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0684? The P0684 trouble code stands for Glow Plug Control Module to PCM Communication Circuit. Diesel engines rely on glow plugs to preheat the cylinders for smooth starting, especially in cold temperatures. The Glow Plug Control Module, GPCM, manages these glow plugs and sends data to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. When the PCM detects a communication failure between these two modules, it triggers P0684, which can lead to cold start issues, rough idling, and increased emissions. Common symptoms of P0684: check engine light on difficult cold starts, rough engine idle or misfires, reduced engine performance, excessive white smoke from exhaust. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the key sensors and components responsible for P0684. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0684, check these components. Glow Plug Control Module, GPCM. Location: usually mounted on the engine block, firewall, or near the intake manifold. Function: controls and regulates power to the glow plugs. A faulty module can cause miscommunication with the PCM. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location: commonly found near the firewall in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function: receives data from the GPCM and controls engine functions. If it's malfunctioning, it can trigger P0684. Glow plug relay. Location: inside the fuse box or mounted near the battery. Function: supplies voltage to the glow plug system. A faulty relay can cause power issues. Wiring and connectors between GPCM and PCM. Location: runs between the glow plug control module and PCM. Function: ensures proper signal transmission. Damaged wiring can disrupt communication. Common causes of P0684 faulty glow plug control module, GPCM. If the module isn't working correctly, it won't communicate with the PCM. Defective powertrain control module, PCM. A rare issue, but it can cause miscommunication. Broken or corroded wiring. Damaged wires between the GPCM and PCM can interrupt signals. Blown glow plug fuse or relay. If the fuse or relay fails, the glow plug system may not function properly. Software or calibration issues. Outdated PCM firmware can sometimes cause communication errors. How to fix P0684? Step 1. Check for additional codes. If multiple glow plug codes appear, multiple components may be faulty. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, damaged wires, or loose connections between the GPCM and PCM. Step 3. Test the Glow Plug Control Module, GPCM. If faulty, replace it. Step 4. Check the glow plug relay and fuse. Replace them if damaged. Step 5. Update PCM software. If applicable, update the PCM firmware to fix potential bugs. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and confirm the fix. Ignoring P0684 can lead to starting problems, poor performance, and higher emissions. Fixing it will keep your diesel engine running smoothly. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0620, generator control circuit malfunction. P0621, generator lamp L control circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.